We have just taken delivery of this little baby here. Yeah, this is called a autoclave.
Our packaging back that you've purchased our products in, we're going to be throwing through our Australian-made commercial dishwasher, brand new Australian-made commercial pass-through dishwasher. Once they've been cleaned through them, they go in the autoclave, which is steam steriliser, pressurised steam steriliser. Go through them and they're as good, if not better, than brand new.
I reckon better actually, because this is a steam operated steriliser. So this is basically a hospital grade sterilising. So there will be no bacteria left in any of our packaging after you return it. Okay, this is it. Well, we're hoping it's an autoclave. We haven't been ripped off, so let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Filming. Oh, let's go. Well, hands away from the cutting edge.
Been getting some great rain here. Bit muddy.
Sticky tape. There we go. Oh, we're getting that. Oh, kneecap.
Don't cut yourself, Greg.
Yeah, well, hands behind the cutting edge. It's very. Oh, this isn't my best. That's not my best angle.
Depends on who you're asking.
Yes. Ta-da. Oh, look.
Another box. Don't get rid of the instructions.
Yes. To learn how to speak Chinese.
It's actually not Chinese, but anyway. Oh my gosh, there it is. There it is.
That's him. That's
my Lord. Let's not totally unbox it.
No, we won't unbox him.
Because we're...
So that's the front. That's the front of the autoclave.
There it is, the autoclave. Oh, thank goodness. Phew.
It is an autoclave, not just a box of rocks.
Yep, it is an autoclave, not just a box of rocks. Fantastic. So now we're actually going to be going over to our lab, and Greg's already started doing a little bit of a extension. And this is our dishwasher, brand new, that is going to wash all of our packaging as well, so we can then put it into the autoclave. This was actually Australian made, so we're pretty proud about that. And
got something exciting going on this morning. We're going to put our autoclave, our steam steriliser, into our lab this morning. So here it is in the background just there behind me. Steve's leaning up against it. So we're going to put that into the lab, and yeah, should be fantastic. We're going to use that to sterilise reused packaging, and that's all going to be powered by these things on the roof over here, those solar panels. We're going to put this thing, our steam steriliser, which is this thing, steam steriliser, into the lab, I'm about to open him up. I've hit the button. Well, not even any steam. There he is. He's all done. A little printout. Whoop, where is it? A little printout here to prove it. And da-da-da-da-da. It's dried, sterilised. I expect a bit of steam to be coming out, but yeah, this is our first little test run. And we can So our first test run of 10 or so jars, and she's all happening. I don't know. They're a bit, well, they're still a bit warm, but that's awesome. Pretty stoked with that little machine. We've got a heap more to put through, but that's our first little test drive of him, and we're going to be doing a lot more.